Hello everyone. Here we are. We got this package from Javi Coffee. Few months ago, they reached out to me through email, and then after clarifications and questions, we came to finalize, and here we go. They sent me this box. See, the coffee you can crave is a pour away. Javi Coffee. Okay, let's get it open. Okay, you make it your way. Okay, open. Javi Coffee, yeah, delicious coffee reimagined for ultra convenience. Really? Yay, here it is with bubble wrap. Javi microdose coffee concentrate. 30 servings. Oh, this one bottle has a 30 serving. 100 Arabica artisan roasted coffee. It's a coffee concentrate. Okay, gonna try it later. Javi. Maybe this is what. This is a metal straw with a rubberized pipe. Nice. Yeah, nice. Another straw. Another metal straw. And then here. I think this is oh yeah, a cleaning brush for the straw. Okay, nice one. Thank you, Javi Coffee. Thank you for this one. I like it. Thank you. So we're gonna try this later. Okay, Javi microdose coffee concentrate. Yahoo! I'm so excited to make the coffee of our own taste. Just make a drop in your favorite liquid drink with this Javi Coffee. We're gonna try this. Make our own taste of coffee. Try make 2 iced coffee. Okay, let's do this. And this called Choco Milk. Have our ice cream.
I never dreamed, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was forget. Just a childish thing.
Our Javi Coffee.
And I could swear love is just a game
open
that
it here.
children play.
So I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon.
Till I met you, I
1 teaspoon of the Javi Coffee.
met you. This feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. I believe in
We're gonna put this. One teaspoon of Javi. There we go. It's just one teaspoon of Javi. Yeah, the coffee is a real coffee. Like, it's not an instant coffee. But it's really good. Really good. I put ice, the choco milk, and then 1 teaspoon of this Javi coffee and ice cream. It's really good. Okay, we're gonna try another recipe. It tastes good. Good, it's good. I tried 2 recipe of iced coffee with this 1 teaspoon of Javi concentrated coffee. It is very good. It tastes like stronger than, I don't know, I don't like my coffee is very strong. I like the mild coffee with the cream. So it's very good. The original coffee concentrate in a bottle. The fastest, the easiest, and the most convenient coffee. You can just drop 1 or 2 tablespoons in your favorite drinks, a cold or hot coffee, and you are good to go. Very convenient. It says once the bottle is open, you can put it in the fridge and then use until 6 months. They have a lot of flavor. You can see it in the website. Just click the link in the description below and use the discount code so you can enjoy the 15% off when you purchase anything from the website. I tried 2 recipe of iced coffee with this 1 teaspoon of Javi concentrated coffee. It is very good. You can check their website. You can see they have a lot of flavors. They have the travel tumbler and also the recipes. They have all the recipes there. You can check. This is very good. As what I've experienced, 1 teaspoon is enough for me because I don't like stronger coffee. So up to you if you like 1, 2 or 3 tablespoon. You can put it on your own taste. So if you like, you can click the link I put in the description below with the discount code. You can check their website. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for supporting. This is my first sponsored video with Javi Coffee as my first affiliate partnership. I hope you support me, guys. Thank you so much.